Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the REZEND titanium and ebony wood cutting board. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this box open here, little info packet, but really just want to show you the board, and we'll demonstrate some cutting here in just a moment, but I want to just show you what it looks like. There are two sides to it. As mentioned, you'll have your kind of titanium, looks great, and then your wood, real wood, titanium. Nice little grip here, rubberized around the edges. There are edges here. On here you have kind of that juice layover, if you will, surrounding it. You don't have that on the other side. But anyway, we'll just go ahead and demonstrate some cutting. All right, and the important thing is no marks are left after cutting, and it's a pretty sharp knife. So this thing definitely works well, leaves no marks. Obviously the other side is even better, so definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.